Hey guys, Nick Campbell here in South Windsor, Connecticut at Pete's RV Center. Got some really exciting news. We're here to announce our spring into summer sales event here starting this weekend. It's the 21st, 22nd, and 23rd of June. It's a perfect time to start. First day of summer is Friday, so we want to kick off the summer sales event with great weather and awesome prices. We have a ton of inventory here arriving, some deeply discounted 19s, a few 2020s arriving, so come on and check in some new floor plans that Jayco has to offer. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, we'll have lunch Saturday and Sunday from 11 to 3. Spin to Win's going to be set up in the store, so free pack of toilet paper guaranteed, but there's also some other great prizes in there, gift cards, a lot of different stuff. So really fun event, huge price drops on a lot of our in-stock stuff here. We're trying to make room for the 20s that we have on order, so the 19s got to go. Free R3 weight distribution hitch installed with any travel trailer purchase, and a free non-slide fifth wheel hitch with any fifth wheel purchase. But you got to come in this weekend, and if you choose to buy a motorhome, it's a $500 gift card on something like that. So again, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, it's going to be a killer event. We've got a fully trained Jayco staff here ready to help you guys. Come on in Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. We're here till 7 on Friday, 7 on Saturday, and 6 on Sunday. 417 John Fitch Boulevard, South Windsor, Connecticut. Can't wait to see you guys. Thanks.